So this was the 678 ending.
All right.
Let me shut this light off because probably that glare. Okay.
Okay.
The front, the side,
Okay.
the handpiece. Handpiece. So the glare, is that better?
Yeah, it's better. Can you show me both sides? Yeah.
There we go.
Thanks.
And that just,
Yeah, okay.
yeah, the numbers are really faded. Let's see the tag on the back.
Perfect. Okay, August 2023.
And then this side. Reset button was pushed in.
Okay. All right. Okay, version 319. Good.
Then we'll turn it on and enter.
Okay.
Okay, can you see it now?
Yeah, I can.
Perfect. Okay, yeah, there was a call coming in. Okay. All right, so active, and if I press the pedal, let off the pedal, stop. And then your yellow light is flashing.
Okay.
Press the pedal again, active.
Great. Thank you.
Okay,
All right, looks good. Thanks.
awesome.